In our next example, let's take a look at how we can create and apply a paragraph style with a nested character style that applies to the end of the paragraph instead of the beginning. Here, we have a social media list of users and their social media handle. Because this is consistently styled with the name, an @ symbol, and then the handle, we can easily create nested styles to apply this very easily. To do this, we'll need to create a paragraph style, then a character style, and then nest the character style into the paragraph style. To get started, let's go ahead and format our first item of text. I'm going to double click, triple click to select the whole line here. I want to use a regular weight serif style font. In my character panel list, I do have my list filtered by serif fonts and also filtered by Adobe fonts. I'm going to choose this font, Athleus, using the regular weight. I'm also going to change this so that my text size is 15 points and uses a leading value of 20 points. With my text formatted how I want it, I'm going to go ahead and create a character or paragraph style for this, as this is what I want to apply to the entire paragraph. In my paragraph styles panel, I'm going to Alt, Option click the new style button, and go ahead and name this social listing. I'm going to click OK to save those changes. If I want, I can choose the option to apply the style to the selection, which is very useful, as by default it doesn't automatically apply the style. Next, I'm going to format the text to look how I want to create my character style. I'm going to select this social media handle, and I'm going to style this text a little differently so that it has an italics posture. And I'm also going to change the text color to blue. Now I have a nice listing for the person's name with some emphasis applied to their social media handle to make it stand out by using the italics posture and the blue color. With my text selected, I'm going to go to my character styles panel, Alt or Option click on the new style button, and go ahead and name this blue italics. I do see that my character style only picks up the attributes that are different from the paragraph style that is applied. So this only shows that the font style is italic and does not show any font family, size, kerning, tracking, any of that information, but it does show that the character color is blue. Now that I have both of my styles set up, I can go ahead and nest the character style into the paragraph style. Going back to my paragraph styles menu, I'm going to find my social media listing, social listing, right-click, and choose Edit. Again, because my cursor was placed within this paragraph, I do want to avoid just double-clicking to edit the style because that might accidentally apply the style to the text. Here I have my social listing. To nest my style, I'm going to go into the drop caps and nested styles. Since I want this styling to begin with the paragraph style I have, I'm going to create a new nested style and first tell it to use none. I don't want it to apply any character styles for the first part of the text. I want the style to change to use the character style beginning with the @ symbol. So in this case, I'm going to tell the nested style to use none for the character style up to one @ symbol. It's really convenient that we can use any typed character as a marker by being able to type into this field instead of using the drop-down. There are plenty of cases where a number of words or characters, sentences would be appropriate, but here I have a given marker that I can use and can type in that character. In this case, I say none up to one @ symbol because I want the character style to apply to the @ symbol. So if I said through one @ symbol, the @ symbol would not be styled to match the social media handle name. Now, to apply the blue italics, we click New Nested Style again and tell it to choose to use blue italics. And we'll say through one sentence. I'm going to click OK. Now, when we select all of our text, right-click on Social Listing and choose Apply Social Listing. Now we see that we have quickly applied the consistent formatting based on where the style should change based on the position of this @ symbol.